The welding lab here at Father Judge is a state-of-the-art facility now. Students here will learn all the welding processes they need to become successful out there in the industry. First of all, the school here, the school itself, and I'm not just saying that as a teacher here. This is such a wonderful institution, a wonderful environment. Everyone's friendly, everyone's working. The kids want to learn. When you find kids that want to learn, that gives you a whole new platform of what you can do. The next forward process is, what we consider Father Judge Pathways. This is a very successful program. We have companies calling for my students already in their 11th grade year, and I say, wait a minute, we can't send anybody out just yet for a full-time career. They're 12th graders. But next year, I'll have graduates. And next year, we are knocking down one of the buildings in the rear of the school, and we are adding different CTE programs. We're adding automotive, we're adding construction, we're adding machinery. So in the next building, all the pathways that are very successful out in the industry, we will now be able to offer them to the students here at Father Judge. You have the kids who want to go to college, we're going to go to Father Judge. Well, I might want to be an engineer, I might want to go to the trades, I might want to be a welder, I might want to do automotive engineering. You can now come to Father Judge and seek those trades because we offer them now and prepare you for the trades and have a career waiting for you when you graduate. So you leave with a high school diploma from Father Judge, you leave with your welding certifications, and you'll have a career all waiting for you at graduation, all included within the tuition. There is no other Catholic school that does that in your diocese. Father Judge gets it. Father Judge sees what the future needs and what is going to be in the future. And for the people that invested in the welding program, for them, I think they should know that they save lives. They've brought families together. They've built young men into men. They've built careers. They've started something here at Father Judge that no other school has done. And you can actually see where your investment and your time has gone. You can actually see the growth of the program from 2019 now to 2022, 2023. You can see what your money has done. You can see your investment, the time you've put in. Looking at someone from a 10th grader that's now senior, that can now articulate and read the blueprints off the drop of a dime, and seeing a new kid coming in with his eyes wide open, or hearing a conversation at dinner with his family and saying, Mom, Dad, thank you. I love the welding program. I can't wait to take care of the bills when I get paid. I can't wait to buy you something, Mom, when I get paid. Or I can't wait to take care of some of your burden financially when I start making money. When you have those type of conversations and an 18-year-old can sit at the table and have this type of dialect back and forth over dinner, and it be true, and it be good, that is what it is all about. That is what it's all about. I think the investors would really be proud when they see the outcome of this first graduating class next year, and when they come visit and I have some conversations, they are really, really proud, and they really see, it is definitely worth their money and time.
Oftentimes when we discuss our CTE program and these new initiatives that we're moving ahead with to not take away from anything relative to what we offer here at Father Judge, right? We've phrased this at the board level that we're adding another layer to the onion here, right? We are still going to actively pursue high academics, but this is a new layer, it's a new offering, it's a new opportunity for our students. And so when somebody says, how did you get there? This wasn't just an overnight flick the switch, right? We had a study conducted by a research firm that looked across the nation, looked across the Commonwealth, looked across the city-specific region for high priority occupations. What do students coming out with particular certifications, what is their income, and can they continue to hone these particular crafts in order to really make a great living, right, and provide for their family and advance their family into a new economic level and really change the sense of the community financially. And so that was kind of how we got there relative to at the 100,000 foot level, and then we kind of brought it down and weighed into the fact of what can we do with what we have, what are our resources, what gives us the most opportunity for our students. And so where it comes with us right now, today is welding. Next after that we hope to move on our foray into automotive, and after that we'll continue to trend to layer additional offerings in each and every year to provide more and more opportunity for our students here at Father Judge High School. I think it's important to note that a project like this isn't made possible without partners, and CTE programs need partnerships as part of that valued industry, secondary ed component. And so for us, we had numerous partners who so graciously found both the time and the resources to to help us get this program off and running. And special thanks to the Connolly Foundation and to the Ambassadors Fund for Catholic Education, as well as PTR Baylor, Miller, and Airgas for all they did to step up with both resources financially as well as expertise for how to set up this lab and the right equipment to make sure that our boys were safe and functioning with the latest in the industry. And on behalf of Father Judge, we thank you for that.